So let's start by creating a project so we can load in the business context of the project. It'll ask for the website link and then start running analysis of building a business profile, which covers different areas. For example, you see different ICPs and their needs, use cases, target audiences, and overviews. You can download the entire report. Okay, now you have the project. You can create a session under the project so the business profiles are by default accessible. Type the @ symbol and you can select all the different assets. Know that this is a simple way for you to access different types of assets and make them part of your conversation. Here, we first select the account where we created our previous Google campaign, and then we ask it to review the campaign setup. Also noted that the URL of the website has changed. Now we start running and you see the task list. You can also unfold to see what exact command is running. We run a coding agent in the background, just like Claude Code, but our front end doesn't feel technical. You can see it making progress and figuring out tasks one by one. Okay, now it has generated a full report of the state of this campaign. There are multiple sections and we'll review them one by one. First, you see the URL change, right? Because we changed the domain, the URL does not match, so the campaign stopped working. They also discovered there are some duplicate keywords. It's an issue because you can't control which campaign the keyword goes to. Essentially, the same keyword could go to any campaign. It also makes some recommendations for negative keywords, along with more details about conversion actions that it's suggesting. Okay, now let's have the agent execute these recommendations. You see now it keeps generating a list of action items, and you can see what exactly it's doing at each step. Sometimes it does take a little time to run, because it has to call a lot of different APIs and write code in the background. You see, now it has made all the changes, but the campaigns are paused. So we need to reactivate them. Okay, now let's take action. Also, I realized I don't know how much budget is set for each campaign, so I can also add another request. Look, you don't have to wait for the previous request to finish before sending another one. Okay, look, I didn't have the patience to wait for the whole thing to finish. I came back later and you see the 3 requests, the 3 campaigns that were created, and the rationale behind them.